how to view TikTok live stream analytics. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your TikTok live analytics. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, then you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on the business suite. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where TikTok provides a tool. So here you can just tap on analytics, and here you can just tap at the live, which can be seen at the top. And here, now as of right now, I haven't made any live stream, but if you have, in the overview section you'll find high level insight across a time frame from last 7 to 60 days, including viewership, engagement, rewards, activity. So there you can just switch to video analysis tab for a deeper insight per live stream, and you can filter session by most recent, most diamonds earned, and most viewed to discover what content resonates the best. And some version of the created tools include a live dashboard offering real-time metrics as you broadcast, including live viewers, watch time, and the engagement rate, which is perfect for adjusting on the fly. And that's it. That's how you can view TikTok live stream analytics. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.